Apfel Dr. Germany, my name is Ben, good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show. And today we just start by an iPhone 6s which was fallen down into the water and the customer needs the important data. So let's see what we can do here. The first thing we do when we do diagnose here on our tables is just to check for TriStar issue one time. So this is the ICC, you can get it at iCheckCharge.com, and this is the tool we sell. It's black, and here for us internal we have a special edition in transparent. So you just have to plug it in, press the button, and we see TriStar's okay. The green LED is glowing, so no issue on 5VO or TriStar. So let's see what we have. We just take out the screws. Just plug in the cable one time and we see we have no current flow on charging. We just have to open the device. It was never opened before, like I think, because the glue is really strong. Okay, it's still wet inside. So we see there is water in here. So we just have to open the device. Getting out all the screws. Taking off the screen. SIM tray, do you want to come out or not? So we do it in that way. And now we just take out the board by losing the screws. My new Knipex side cutters I just take for losing the screw here, because I don't have the right screwdriver here. It is just laying at David's place and I don't want to get up, so it's done. Here are the other screws, and after that we take out the board and we're just having a look what we got here. So because I see much water, I want to see where exactly is the water all over the board, where's the corrosion. I think it's a short on VDD main, or VCC main, sorry, we're on the iPhone 6s, not on the iPhone 7. Okay, one more screw here. And taking the board out. Okay. Okay, and we got a short on VCC main. Let's take the stickers over the EMI shields off, and we see there is some water here. Could be a fast job or couldn't be a fast job. We will see it now. It's always related to the problem. We go straight under the microscope so we can check by our eyes. Here on the top we see corrosion under the big audio IC. Here on the cap. On the bottom we don't see much corrosion. We could have some corrosion here under this shield. I want to take it off. Yeah, I want to take off the shield. So let's take it off. Okay. And going straight under the microscope. And typical areas for corrosion here on the backlight circuit. You see that? Typically. Just want to take a picture. And at the back side, I want to take a picture. Typical areas where we find corrosion on the iPhone 6s after water damage. Now we just take our thermal imager and having a look. Having a look for shorts. Nothing on the front side. And here you see it on the back side. Okay, next beside to the big power IC. Okay. Let's check on the top to the big power IC. Okay. So these are the points of corrosion we see. And now we just want to get the capacitors out which are shorted without doing any damages to the big power IC. So we just use a small amount of hot air. And just getting them shorted capacitors out. Okay, done. 2 capacitors less on the iPhone 6s board. And now let's see. The short is gone. And if we try to boot, oh, what about, do we have a boot or not? Looks like a boot, looks really like a boot after 8 minutes. And just removing 2 shorted caps next beside to the big power IC. I have to press on the cable because all my cables I got for my iPower are fucked up. And do we see something on the screen? No, we don't do. Oh, it's no backlight. Okay, let's check if it's really no backlight or if it's just a screen. I have to take a test screen. 1 second. Just another screen for test. Okay. Now I got a little problem. My cable has been fucked up. Just have to use another one. Here we are. Okay. Okay, plug it in. Try to boot. And boom! Back to life again. Just defective screen on top. Like I said, another one had just changed the backlight circuit completely without testing. I saw things like this often. Yeah, you see, it's just water damages can be really fast and water damages can be really slow. Often water damages which are looking not bad you don't see much corrosion, and these are the hardest ones. So normally you have to swap the board then, because it's you just jump from low short to low short, but then you have water damages like this. They come in, and you see water in it, and you think, oh, could be bad. But then you have a look at the board, you see some points of corrosion, and only 1 or 2 capacitors are shorted. You remove them and you can boot the device. Would be nice if we had a shorted backlight here, so we could do another repair within this Datarescue, but it's okay. If I have a shorted backlight on a Datarescue because of a water damage, normally I just don't repair that. I just take a light and light up behind the backlight to see. I just restart the device again, because I don't have connected home button, so you see that it works. Yeah, that was all. 11 minutes of video time today at this beautiful Thursday. I hope you like it anyway. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that you can do that at the Bottle and Repair School Germany. It's no problem. We have free seats for January. We will go online with them today or tomorrow. If you want to join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany, you can do that too, but you have to answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted. Okay, you see some damages go fast. I don't know what I do before I start a video, because I just take a device out of a box and just do the repairs. So sometimes we have big errors and sometimes we have small errors like this. I hope you like it anyway. Give me thumbs up. I'm out. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.